Are you suffering from dark lips or dry lips? Do you desire to have a very pinkish and soft lips? Try this DIY scrub I'm going to show you how to make in this video. This scrub is very effective, so try to watch this video to the end. Hi, welcome back. So like I said in my intro, I'll be showing you how to make effective lip scrub, lip oil and lip cream in this particular video. So the first we'll be making is lip scrub, then the second is lip oil, or you can call it lip activator. This will be like a lip gloss that you can apply on your lips if it's too drying. So if you are interested to know all this plus more, please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on anything. And let's get the first one, pink lip scrub. So guys, here are the things we need plus the measurement. So get a very clean bowl, add 4 tablespoons of brown sugar to inside your bowl. Another alternative for this is white sugar. So if you don't have brown sugar, you can use your white sugar. Brown sugar granulated particles exfoliate your lips so well, clearing away dry dead skin cells. Add in 1 tablespoon of licorice powder to act as a whitening agent. Add in 0.8 ml lactic acid to help remove dead skin cells and reduce discoloration on your lips. Add in 8 ml lemon extract. Lemon oil can help your lips stay luscious by preventing free radical from damaging the collagen in your lips, keeping it plump and pretty. So lemon oil is very good. Add 8 ml of it into your bowl. Add 3.2 ml vegetable glycerin into your bowl. This will keep your lips healthy and soft. So add 3.2 ml of it inside your bowl. And the last is pink food coloring. So note that this pink food coloring is optional. It's not a must you add it, but if you want to add, you add very little of it, or you can add as much as you want until you get the color you want. Now after adding all the necessary things, all the things I mentioned earlier, now stir properly, add it accordingly. The way I mentioned it, add it accordingly. Now when you're done adding, you stir it properly so that all your ingredients are going to mix well. Then your pink lip scrub is ready. This scrub should be used before applying your lip cream or your lip oil that I'm going to show you, because the next one we move over is how to make the pink lip oil. So you can use this scrub 2 or 3 times in a week and you get that soft pink lips you'll want. Now let's go to how to make lip oil to hydrate and moisturize your lips, making it look shiny and plumpy. So now making a lip oil is very easy. So all you need is just few oils and you're ready to go. So keep watching this video because we're about to get started. So as usual, get a very clean bowl, and inside the bowl you add your 1 tablespoon raw honey. Honey works as a mild exfoliator and can help remove dry dead skin cells from lips. Inside the honey you add 3 tablespoons grapeseed oil. This will work to suit your lips and make it look plumpy. So add 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil inside your bowl. Now lastly, you add 1 tablespoon licorice oil or any whitening oil of your choice inside the bowl. Licorice oil for lips aids collagen production to plump lips and boost moisturization. So add 1 tablespoon licorice oil or any whitening oil of your choice. Now stir all these oils properly and your lip oil is ready. Remember that this oil should be applied after you are done scrubbing your lips or applying your pink lip balm. So guys, when we are done making the pink lip oil, let's go over to how to make the main pink lip cream. So wait for it.
So guys, here are the things you need to make the pink lip cream. You'll be needing 75-gram white secret lotion or any active whitening lotion of your choice. This will act as our base, and we'll be needing 1.5 alpha arbutin capsules, 7.5 ml citro clear oil, 7.5 ml white secret oil, 5 ml alpha arbutin serum, 5 ml labijanis oil, half tablespoon lactic acid, and 5 ml food coloring, 25-gram Vaseline to help keep your lips moisturized. In a sterilized bowl, pour in all your base and you add your lip Vaseline and stir, and add your powder followed by your oils. Mix very well. I would prefer you use hand mixer so it will be smooth. And lastly, you add your food coloring and mix again. So if you are not satisfied with the color, then you can add as much food coloring as you want and blend it, and your lip balm is ready to package. So use this alongside with the lip scrub I showed you how to make in this video. So guys, I hope this video was very helpful. If you find this video very helpful to you, please don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to be updated anytime I post a new video. So in my next video, I'll be making a whitening scrub, so stay tuned.